You should experience these three types of meditation in your lifetime. Friends, meditation is the only tool which helps us to lower down the fat increasing hormone. That's why we should practice meditation once in our day. Whether we have time or we don't have time, but we should try to do meditation whether we are working or whether we are at our home. Hi, my name is Bhupendra and I'm an online fitness coach. I'm a lifestyle expert and I'm expert in losing your weight. Friends, meditation is a process which naturally takes us inside of our own system. So that's why we get the better knowledge of ourselves and we get the better knowledge of the world through meditation. Many of the great people, whether they are Mahatma Gandhi, Vivekanand, or any other saint, if you talk about, they usually practice meditation in their life. Whether you talk about any of the successful people also, they also try to do meditation. Being a part of a meditation, you can convert your unhealthy body into a healthy body. This is the magic of meditation because it lowers down the fat increasing hormone which is known as cortisol, and cortisol is the main cause of this 21st century. That's why people are getting more and more fatty and more obese, because not only we are developing or we are growing, but we are also growing in tensions also. So that's why we should control this fat increasing hormone known as cortisol, and the tool to control it is meditation. Today I will tell you about the three types of meditation which are quite simple and you can do whenever you want to do. The time range between 5 seconds to 30 seconds. The first meditation is the 5-second rule. I have read a book of the 5-second rule in which this meditation has come. Whenever you are trying to do any procrastination, or if you are trying to do some work but you are not able to do just because of your laziness, or you don't want to do that work on that time, but believe me on this, that the right time is never going to come. So that's why you need to do that work on that very time only. You can be angry, you can be you can have the problem of anxiety, but this 5-second meditation can help you out into this. What you need to do: whenever you feel restlessness, whenever you feel anxiety, whenever you feel nervous, whenever you are scared of do something, whenever you feel scared to start anything new in your life, just need to count 5 to 1 in an opposite countdown. You just need to count 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and just you need to do your work. It is the 5-second rule which you can apply anywhere in your life. This is how you can do the 5-second meditation and it will change your life. The second meditation which I like to talk about is the meditation of now. Usually we live our life in past or in future. That's why we get the thoughts. We don't have the thoughts about the present situation. We can have the thoughts about past, we can have the thoughts about future, that how I'm going to be in future and how I was in my past. But if we take care of our this present situation, this now, then we can change so much in our life. That's why here I am bringing to you the power of now. You just need to concentrate on now, whether you are writing an email or whether you are talking to someone, whether you are having your lunch, whether you are in a meeting. Just try to be in the present situation for 30 seconds consciously. If you feel angry, if you are feeling nervous, if you have the problem of anxiety, just try to be in this present situation for 30 seconds. Whether you are wearing your shirt, whether you are walking, Just try to be in the present situation for 30 seconds and you will see the magic. I saw a movie known as The Peaceful Warrior. It is a great movie of a athletics or gymnastic guy, and how he convert his life with this exercise. You will come to know about it, friends. So this is how you can do. This is the power of now. And the third exercise which you can do as a part of your meditation is a peripheral vision exercise. Just choose a spot on the wall. Just concentrate on that very spot, and after that try to observe everything and try to be aware of everything which you have inside of your room or outside of your room. Inside of your room, it can be the conversation of your colleagues, it can be a meeting, it can be the tick tick of computer, it can be anything. And try to observe the traffic, horns, how the world is moving around you while concentrating on one spot. This is also a 30-second exercise. So friends, if you do these three exercise or even a one exercise according to your requirement once in a day, then you will see magic in your life. That's why there are many people who are living the same life like us, who has only 24 hours like us, but still they are doing so much just because they have the power of concentration or the power of meditation, which can bring concentration into you. So that's why try this exercise, friends. And it was all about the meditation. If you like to know more about the breathing exercise in yoga, or you want to lose your 5 kg in upcoming month with the help of 7 days diet schedule, then download my ebook. You can find a link in the description. Or if you want any personal guidance or personal coaching from me, then feel free to message me directly. Till then, know your fitness.